Hello everybody, welcome at the tricks and tips of the Glue You products, and now we're gonna tell you something about the Shudim. In this case we use the green. Make sure you have part A from green and part B from green, and you open the jars and you see green from green and white from green. It's a non-poisoning um, material. It's two components, you mix it by hand, so be careful if you put some product out of the jar. So this is what we don't recommend. As you can see, you have white from green in the green jar. That's not what we want. What is the right way? We have two hands, two jars. So one hand in one jar, one hand in the other. 50-50, and you're ready to go, and there is no contamination in the jars.